an electron of mass m and a photon have same energy E, the ratio of de Broglie wavelengths associated with them is. So, for electron we have energy E, right? Energy E is h nu, or it is hc by lambda for an electron, lambda E, that is the energy. So, the de Broglie wavelength, that can be written as lambda E is equal to h by root of 2me, root of 2me, that is for electron. So, that is equation 1. Next, for photon, energy is h into nu. This is h nu, which is hc by lambda photon, E is equal to hc by lambda photon. Now, obviously, photons do not have any mass. They are light particles. Only when they interact with the surface, they, give out their particle nature. Otherwise, their mass is negligible. They never have the rest mass. Their rest mass is 0. Now, I will write wavelength of photon as hc by E. This is equation 2. Now, we will have to take the ratio of de Broglie wavelengths, that is lambda E by lambda P, that is equation 2, equation 1 by equation 2 we have to do. That is h by root of 2me into E by hc. So, h cancels off. This becomes, this E cancels and this becomes half. So, E by 2m to the power half into 1 by c, into 1 by c. So, lambda E by lambda P is 1 by c into E by 2m whole to the power half. So, by looking at this, final solution, option C is the correct option.